Alright, so welcome back to This or That Sports TV. You know, where we bring to you the best sports content on the internet. And I know you see me here by myself today, but you know, Joe Ma is not here, your favorite is not here, so it's only Rush today. And yeah, today this is our first Fantasy Premier League show. And this is the show where I'll be playing the game, you know, checking in on what the scouts are saying and making my mistakes and just showing you how bad I am at the game. I joke. I'm not that bad, to be honest. But I've had a slow start this year, same like last year, but I recovered. So hopefully this year I can recover also. So yeah. So the first thing I want to do is I want to have a recap of last week. So let's look at my points tally last week and see where that placed me in the world or in my private groups. Let's just see what was happening. So last week I started with Sanchez in goal. Laporte got a red card, right? So that's a sub I need to make. Ben White gave me the clean sheet in Arsenal. Thanks for that. Mankio. So it was a very poor week. I kept in Salah. I'm pretty sure everybody kept in Salah last week. But I got 10 points. I think that was just an assist. I think that was just an assist. Let me check. Yeah, that was just an assist last week. So I have a couple changes to make. So let's look on transfers, who I can get in, who I can get out. You know, try to recover, because to be honest, right now in the world, I think my ranking is around 3 million, which it sounds bad. 8.5 million people play the game and I'm at 3.3 million. So I'm in the top half, but still not good enough. I need to be under a million. In Jamaica, you have 15,000 people that play the game, and I am 5,000. So I'm still in the top half, both in the world and in Jamaica, but it's still not good enough for where I want to be. So let's look at some transfers. I know 3 transfers I need to get out. Three players I need to get out of my team. I only have 2 free transfers, so I don't think I'm going to sacrifice any points this week just because I don't need to. So I know I need to get out Kovacic and Laporte. I know I need to get those 2 players out my team. Who can I get in though? I need a defender and I have 10.8 million. Alright, last week I wanted to get Reece James. I knew I needed to get Reece James, but a friend told me to go with Chilwell and I didn't go with either of them, and you know, that didn't work out. I also need to get rid of Aspilicueta, you know, although he's fit now, but you know, I'm going to keep Aspilicueta. He just might play. So midfield. I think as a Tottenham got a new manager, right? So Antonio Conte is the manager of Tottenham right now. I think they're going to have a new manager, Bones. You know, the honeymoon period will start very soon. So I think I'm going to put Son in my team. Either Son or Kane. I need one of them because I know they're going to have a Bones. Let's look at the fixture list though. So they have Everton coming up, Leeds, Burnley, Brentford, Norwich. Yeah. Need to make some better changes, you know. Boy, help me out. Who can I use? Who can I get in my team this week? Help me out. Let's look at Ronaldo's fixture list. Man City, Watford, Chelsea, Arsenal. It's not good, you know. Alright, so I've made my decision. I think for defenders, just on a quick check, I'm going to go with Tavares from Arsenal. Right, so Kane is out with an ankle injury and he's injury prone. So I don't think Arsenal will rush him back. And Tavares, he's been having some good games. So I'm going with Tavares. Now I have 6.5 million to spend on a midfielder, because I don't think I'm going to make more than 2 changes. Just for this week, I'm going to play it safe. You know, it's early in the season. Yes, I had a bad start, but I have a lot of time to recover. So it's just game week 11. So I have a lot more game weeks to make it up. I've already used my wild card. So it's just, I just have to play it safe and hope to just recoup some points. You know, take time and recoup some points. My strategy is, if I can get 60 points every week, I will be in the top 1,000 in Jamaica. I will be in the top 1 million in the world. So my aim every week is to get 60 points. If I get more than that, then that's bonus, that's brata. If I get under that, then I'm mad. I just need to get 60 points. So Lucas Moura, that's a good shout. Lucas Moura is a good shout. But yeah, Everton need. I think I'm going to go with Lucas Moura. You know, just to throw a differential out there. Everybody will be going for Son and Kane. I want to go with Son or Kane, but you know what? I think I'm going to sell Ronaldo and go for Kane, you know, and then use Kovacic. Take out Kovacic next week. Think that's a good move. All right, so may I go with that? Yes, it just come to me. So I'm going with Kane. I need Kane. So remove Ronaldo because I think Manchester, they have a bad run right now. They have Man City, Chelsea, Arsenal, Crystal Palace all in the next 5 games. I don't think they'll get much points from that. So I am going with Harry Kane up top. And I just might captain him this week, to be honest. They're playing Everton. I think I probably captain Harry Kane. Just because I know that they'll get a new manager bounce. I just feel it. So, Harry Kane, Tavares. With that, I can start Sanchez in goal. Yeah, I'm going to start Sanchez in goal against Newcastle. I am going to start Aspi. If he doesn't play, then, you know, I have a strong bench. Ben White and Tavares will definitely start. Who's Matip playing? Matip is playing West Ham, yeah, so Matip can't start. I'm not even sure if he will start for Liverpool. So, yeah. In the midfield, I'm going to go for Salah, Havertz, Bernardo, and Townsend. Or I'm going to go for Havertz, Salah, Bernardo, and Townsend, and then go for 3 up top: Jesus, Kane, and Hwang. So that's my team for the week. Make transfer. All right, make transfer. Confirm. So that's it. Let's make some subs. Matip out. Ben White on. Save team. Liverpool is playing West Ham. That's going to be a hard game. Kane. Spurs is playing Everton. That might be a rough game, but as I said, I feel this one. New manager bounce. Kante is going to get something out of these guys. Kane will finally turn up. So this might put some egg on my face, but I'm going with Harry Kane as captain. Yeah, and this is my team for the week. Not a bad team, not a great team, but not a bad team. So hopefully I can get 60 points and we keep moving. Got my personal groups. I'm 16 in 1, 16 of 40. I think I'm 4 of 8 in 1. In Jamaica, 5,000 of 15,000, and in the world I'm 3.3 million off. Think. How many people play the game again? Of 8.5 million. So not a bad start. So yeah, that's it. That's it for the Fantasy Premier League show. Thank you for tuning in. Every week we'll have one of these. As long as there are fixtures playing, it's a game week for the Premier League, you will be getting one of these videos. Next week there will not be a Fantasy Premier League video because it's international break and we'll be taking on the Jamaica fixtures. There will be a lot of content around that. Hopefully we can get to be at the game, give you guys a match day vlog, you know, get some fan cams, get some match reactions after the game, you know, see what interviews you can get, you know. Stay tuned to this channel. Yeah, this is where we're going to be trying to do something that has never been done in the YouTube space coming from Jamaica before. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. You know, turn on the post notification bell so that you can know whenever we post a video. And yeah, that's it for the Fantasy Premier League show. See you a week after next.